Okay guys, today we're going to take a look at prime factorization. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick a number first. We're going to do 36. Okay, so at first we're going to do just the factoring, and then we'll look at how to do the prime factorization. So if you're not familiar with this kind of stuff, the factoring is just going to be all the ways we can multiply two numbers together to get 36. Okay, so we always start with 1 and whatever the number is. All right, so we start with 1, 36. Okay, and what's next? 2, and then half of 36, which is 18. 2 times 18 equals 36. Okay, let's keep going. Right, I usually just kind of go right down the list until it doesn't work anymore. 3 and 12. Right, 3 times 12 is 36. Right, so some people are faster at this stuff than others as far as trying to remember 3 times what equals 36. Right? If you're confused, then it's just 36 divided by 3 equals what? And that's 12. Okay. Next, we have 4. And 4 times 9 is 36. Okay. And then we also have 6, right? 6 times 6 is 36, and that's going to be the last one. Right? So we got a big 6 in here. Right? And so those are all of the numbers that we can use to come up with 36. Okay. So our next step is going to be now we need to figure out which ones are prime, right? And then for the ones that are not prime, that are composite, we just want to get rid of them. Okay, so try to remember, first of all, except for 2, all the other even numbers are not are composite and not prime. So we'll just get rid of those. All right, so 4, you're gone. 6, gone. 12, gone. 18, gone. 36, gone. Okay, so now we're left with 1, 2, 3, and 9. Okay, and 9 is a prime number, right? And that 3 times 3 is 9, right? And so we can also get rid of 9. Okay, so now we're just left with 1, 2, and 3, really, and the 1 is fairly useless to us, really just 2 and 3. So we start off, we're just looking for ways to multiply this out to get to 36, right? So we take a 2, right? And can we multiply that by another 2 to give us 4? Sure, right? And if I multiply it by a 2 again, that gets me to 8, which wasn't any of the numbers that I had up here, so we don't really care for that. So what about times 3? 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. Yeah, that would work, right? Because we had a 12 up here earlier. Times 12, okay. And then 12 times what equals 36? Times another 3. Yep. And that will be our answer. That is the prime factorization of 36.